Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the balloon arc. It's made of metal and you can hang balloons on it for decorations for your birthday, for wedding, for an engagement, for any party. It can work for any decorations you want. First, it comes with this manual, how to use it and what includes in the box. I'm going to show you piece by piece, and this is an overview on how you can decorate the ring, the arc. I will start first by showing you each piece. It will come with 2 connect parts and 6 pipes, and 2 stand base. Those 2 stand base and 2 water fill base, so that it can stay in place and doesn't fall or bend. And you can fill it up with water from here and insert the stand from here. I'll show you later. So we are going to install first the 2 connect parts, and this is the wrong way to install it. You should not install it while the stands are going outwards. You should install it the opposite way, like this. You need to make sure that these 2 legs are standing up straight. And then we are going to connect the pipes. The size of the arc is 7.2 feet and the material is iron, and it's durable and corrosion free and can be reused several times. You need to start inserting the pipes from right up and left up until you reach the highest point of the arc, and then you insert the highest point together at the end. And now we're going to connect the top point. I have flipped the arc to make it easier for me to reach to it. Yeah. Now we're going to install the 2 stand base with the 2 water base. So you lift, you insert this through the hole from here, and you do the same for the other one. And then you lift up the ring, the arc, and you make sure you insert both sides before you push all the way down. Need to move it a little bit. Give it a little push. And here, a little push. And that's it, as simple as that. I hope you liked my little video. I will be showing you a little overview of how it looks, like the final look. I hope you like it. Thank you.